guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be one of my minis where I just do little mini activities. So this is something that you can make for summer. It's a yummy s'mores dip. So you're going to start off by laying the bottom with Hershey's Pieces. And you want to do it on a skillet or else what you're using will melt. And then you're going to start laying marshmallows sideways on the Hershey's. You're gonna want to make an outer ring on the Hershey's in the skillet, because that way you can just fill it in and it'll be easier. Now that you have your ingredients in your skillet, you're gonna want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes or until it's golden brown the way you like it. Make sure you have adult supervision for this part because it's really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. I have my mom right behind the camera. You're going to want oven mitts for this step, or even tell your parents to do this for you because you don't want to burn yourself. But I'm completely protected. Oh, he's hot. Oh, it's jiggly. So my mom ended up getting it because this pan fell into the hole, so I couldn't get it. So let's just try this. Oh, it's just like a ton of air right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. And then obviously I'm using graham crackers to get the whole s'more effect. Oh my gosh. And then I have chocolate. Look at that chocolate right there. See that? Ooh. So this ended up being so good, and I really hope you liked it. It was a little longer in the oven than I had expected. It was about 8 minutes because I wanted mine a little more golden brown, and it just depends on how you like it. But anyway, I hope you like this mini. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. Bye!